C1100M Mifare Smart Capital Lock Operation. Prepare 4 pieces Mifare 1K key. Lock examples. First, put 3 pieces AA batteries in right position. Connect 2 lock bodies with the cable into your right position. Done. First, find a small tool. Hold to press the reset up button, which is inside of the small hole. Hold to press it for 2 seconds. Blue light on, music on, blue light off, music off. Get outside and inside. Done. Get the first Mifare 1K key to sweep the lock. After 4 beeps. Done. The first key becomes to the owner key. Now, after 4 beeps, this red key becomes to the owner key. Sweep the owner key again. After 1 beep and the blue light on, sweep the second key after 1 beep. Done. The second key becomes to the master key. And sweep to the master key again. Blue light on, sweep the third key after 1 beep. Done. The third key becomes to the user key. Now, we use the user key to open to lock the lock. Let's get outside, lock locked. Use the user key again to switch lock. Let's get inside and lock open. Again. Try to open with a blank key. No response. It's illegal key. Now, if a customer uses his user key to lock the lock and he lost his key, he will find the manager, to open the lock with master key. After 1 beep, get a blank key to sweep the lock. After 1 beep done, this key becomes the new user key. Now, this new user key could open the lock. Lock the lock again. Okay. If the lost user key found by someone and try to work with lock, this user key becomes the illegal key again.